All right, let's go. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Go to Mountain Creek.
Let's go. Here we are. It's a nice day. A little cold, a little leafy. It's gonna be good. Woo! So we're testing out a new stem today. We'll see how it goes. Doing 45 mil to go with my fork offset. Woo! Nothing like some alpine for breakfast. That was not good. Whoa! Haha! All right, let's go. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Yeah. Rut City. Sail the rut. What a rut. That was good, right?
That's the line I was expecting to take.
I might as well just do DMLH next time. I like that the sign is broken. It's a jump now.
That was the worst line I've ever taken.
Let's do Exodus. Woo! Fuck. It's literally different every time.
What should I expect? Expect the unexpected.
Rocks.
Rocks. A bunch of flat rocks and then a big slab.
You know, like that song, like Roxanne, where you just hear rocks.
Rocks.
I'll be honest.
Rocks.
That's HHW. Rock sand.
Rocks.
Sand.
I
Yeah,
just
yeah.
like the first part of this trail because it's flat and pedally with tons of rocks.
Okay.
It's like going into
I
the
think it's
beginning
funny
of Triple Drop.
hearing Tyler say a downhill park section is pedally. I just love it. It's so cute.
Oh yeah,
Oh, 'cause I don't
he
pedal
wants
ever.
his money back for every pedal. Like $1 back per crank, right? Guys, let's see how it goes. Oh, that looks fun. You can go up there next time. Retreat. Okay, let's see if we can retreat. Is it gonna make us retreat? Opa! Holy shit.
Holy fuck.
Up here?
No, other side.
Oh, okay.
See the sign? I went to the other side of the sign and down.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
he's got it. Look at that. Nice, dude. He went that way.
Chunk of tree down there too.
Oh, he's got some balls on him. I don't like getting on bikes here.
Go back up.
That's all right. I'll figure it out. It's no big deal. Thank you. This guy loves the tech. Oh yeah, I made it down the easy way, but there's nothing easy about this. It's no big deal. Oh yeah, I've been through here. This is like fucked up. Oh no.
Shouldn't have Chadney on this. This is a Legion.
Oh.
Oh my god, that's right.
Holy shit. What? Okay. Oh! Holy shit. That rock just fucking...
I almost ate shit.
That rock just almost made me go sideways.
It had a branch going in the wheel, but it broke.
Yeah. Roll it out. Legion. Oh, it's just a little mossy. No big deal. Yes! Go, go, go! Whoa, whoa, whoa! You good?
That was a
Slow fall.
ever.
Give me your bike. That was sketchy. Hope you're alright, dude. Yes! It's like a golf course. Oh yeah? Oh yeah. Transition rock. I like this trail. Tyler keeping all the secrets. You. Yeah, Tyler. Haha.
Legion half of my life.
Hell yeah, dude, that was fun.
That was the slowest Legion in my life.
I mean thunder, my bad. People jump that. Skinny. Alright, I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing.
Do not follow my line stick.
Go, go, go. I'm letting you go.
I'm trying to get my feet back on.
Go. Take your time.
See my back foot?
I did a no-footer by accident. Last week. Don't lose that momentum. Keep it rolling. Nice. Beautiful lines. Legion, baby. Fuck yeah. I'm not stopping behind you no more. Okay. Are you good?
I think Chadney has better line.
Nice, Chadney. I had to stop to not crash into you, dude. Hell yeah, bro. It's only gonna get steeper. Right down the middle. Holy shit. That was fucked up. Really fucked up. Let's get out of here. Yes. I always wondered what the hell was up there. That last part was messed
Dude,
up.
he did so well.
That was amazing, bro.
Right, that was fun.
You just let it blind. Good job. Alex! Hang on.
You're on a cleaner on the left.
I love this bridge. You. Rip it. Yeah, baby. Woo. Sick. All right, Cam. Yes. Yeah, you. Riding close like that is bugged out. Yeah, dude. It's got your name on it?
It should be, unless you rubbed it off.
Alright. Can we ride this? This part here is going to be sketchy. This guy already went down. Nice. You got it. Good. That was awesome. All right, let's go. No big fucking deal. Woo! Yeah, baby. Woo! Yes! Oh, it felt so good. Follow the notch right here. Go for it. Holy shit, that was a big fucker. Oh, woo! Too slow. Ready? Jump! Nice. Yo! Let's do it. Nice. So good. Nice. Yes. Woo! Sick. Yeah. Drop. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Look at Alex go. He's gone. DMLH in the bag. All right, let's go hit some breakout party laps and go home. Yeah. That was sick. Downhill race against the lift. Pretty cool scenario. We got 6 minutes to get down and get one last ride before the end of the season. So let's make this an interesting ride. All right, let's go. Skip it. Boom. Watch out! 2 more. This is tough. Whew. Go, 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 go. No jump this time. I gotta keep the speed. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Tight turn. Pedal out. Let's go. Yes. Oh man. Come on, please. Please. Oh. Don't do that to me, please.
4 o'clock.
It's 15:59 on my watch. Come on. Hook me up.
Yeah. Well, you're here before that?
It's not up to me.
I was here before though. Can I go too?
Guys, go.
Thank you so much, man.
Hold on.
Yeah,
You said okay.
that's it.
Thank you so much, my friend. Have a good day. Stay.
3:58 when I pulled up.
Me too. I showed him on my watch, bro. He wouldn't believe me. Oh, the party lap happened. Yes.
Literally from
Yo, I just want to say thanks for the cool videos and stuff.
Thanks, nice to meet you.
And I saw you're in the top 10 at Port Jervis,
Oh yeah?
but I'm gonna bump you out, bro. Watch out.
Which trail? Let's go.
Painted apron's full.
Painted
Okay?
apron?
Yeah.
Alright, we're doing it.
There he is.
There he is. Alex is here.
Oh, I just made it on the last
Alex
one.
is here.
The last one up.